Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Sweatcoin app account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed the Sweatcoin app on your phone. If you haven't done that already, then go ahead and install the app first. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open the Sweatcoin app on your phone. You'll see this page on your screen, and on this page you can see the option sign up with Google. Go ahead and tap on it. In Sweatcoin, you can only sign up using your Google account, so be sure you've created an account beforehand. Now tap on sign up with Google. And here you'll have to choose an account with which you want to create the Sweatcoin account. And here tap on continue as your name. For me it is continue as Sarah, so go ahead and tap on that. After you reach this page, tap on access physical activity. After that, the app will be able to see the total steps your phone detects. And here tap on allow. And on this page, you'll have to tap on enable GoogleFit. After you do this, the app will be able to tell if your steps are real. You can also skip it if you don't want to do that. So let it load. And on this pop-up menu, tap on allow. If you want to change this setting later, then you can always remove the access later. So tap on allow. And on this page, tap on allow step counting so that the app can count the steps you take and pay you accordingly. So tap on it and here tap on allow again. The account has been created. Now you can start using the app. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.